And there's some big breaking news coming in on this story. The president of the Association for Malayalam Movie Artists, Mohan Lal, has resigned. That's right, after multiple sexual allegations against various members of the association. The entire governing body of the association has also resigned, citing moral responsibility following the Hema Committee report. Now, remember, viewers, actor Mohan Lal was the president of the association, and they had a 17-member executive committee, which has now been dissolved. We have my colleagues joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Jayalakshmi as well as Varshini live with us for more on this. Jayalakshmi, to you first. You know, till about yesterday, questions were being raised that why big actors like Mohan Lal and many others are not really speaking. But today, big development. He has also stepped down from the position of president in this Association for Malayalam Movie Artists.
Yes, not only Mohan Lal, let me clarify, the entire governing body of the AMMA, that is the Artists of Malayalam Movie, Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, have resigned from their respective positions. They are saying that, you know, after such huge allegations, sexual allegations on various members of the association, they believe it is their moral responsibility to, you know, not dissolve this entire committee and form a new committee. And within 2 months, that is the latest development information that we have, that within next 2 months, a completely new set of governing body in executive members will be formed, which will include, you know, women members on the topmost position. Remember, this was one of the major demands by the people and, you know, in the movie industry, and also, in fact, the Women in Collective Cinema, WCC, which helped formulate the Hema Committee report. These people were demanding, the major demand was to have a senior woman in the senior position in the executive member team of AMMA, and they believe, the entire team now believes that, you know, this is a very serious allegation that has been coming one after the other against various members of the association. So they felt that it was their moral responsibility as the position holders in the association to resign and to formulate an entirely different, you know, new group of members, is what we understand. What we also know is that, you know, these multiple artists who are part of this AMMA group had also criticized, internal criticisms were majorly affecting the group, and they were, you know, in the verge of splitting and having multiple groups inside the association as well. But again, now it is a collective decision that, you know, all the entire 17-member executive members body will dissolve, and they will completely form a new group, is what we learn. And we are expecting actor Mohan Lal to conduct a press briefing very shortly, you know, explaining what are the reasons which led to this, even though in short they have explained that, you know, such grave allegations and, you know, accusations on the members of the group is something that led them to this decision.
Right. Interesting development. So we are expected to hear from actor Mohan Lal as well. Let me go across to my colleague Varshini as well for more on this. Varshini, you know, ever since the report came out in public domain, we have heard about several lapses as far as the AAMA is concerned. And also most of the people that have spoken out, they've hinted at some kind of a power group that really existed. Can we see this development today as perhaps, you know, the step in the right direction? Maybe from here things will, you know, start changing. The police will start taking the cases that are being filed much more seriously, because now we are seeing official complaints from these survivors being sent to police.
Absolutely, yes. This is definitely, one can consider this as a step in the right direction, because the justice for all these women who are now coming out and voicing out about the, you know, harassment that they have faced is what is very important at this point. And like we know, there is a special investigation team that is going to be investigating this, and we can see that a decision has been made that all the FIRs, all the complaints that are moving forward going to be filed by women or from the film fraternity will be directly handed over to the special investigation team, and they are the ones who are going to carry forward with the investigation. And in fact, right at this point, this is very important development that we are witnessing, because it is not only about some of the actors or the directors that these women are voicing out. This executive committee of the Amma in Kerala, there are members in this committee, the 17 people itself, who are facing allegations from women. In fact, after Siddiq resigned, we saw a lot of changes that were being decided to brought up. Even Jagadish was considered to take over as the General Secretary, but now we are seeing that there are people like Babu Raj, a part of this committee, who is also facing harassment allegations. There are other people also, very important actors, and Jomol, who has also recently spoke out about how the situation is in the film fraternity in Malayalam movie industry. Very recently, she is also collectively, all of them have collectively resigned, which means that they are taking some sort of a moral responsibility for what these women in the industry had to go through for so many years. Like you very nicely put, it is a step in the right direction. So more and more scrutiny is what one can expect at this point of time. Some sort of a step ahead, where the women who have come out and finally have the courage to speak out, have some kind of confidence that they will be given justice at some point of time moving forward. But like we also know, in a couple of months time, a new executive committee will come up, and whether they are going to rigorously act upon it or not is what we have to wait and see at this point.
Well, that's right. Varshini, stay on with us. Let me go back to Jayalakshmi as well. Jayalakshmi, now, of course, all eyes are going to be on the new, body that's going to be set up. Who all are going to be a part of it, whether that will have representations from everyone who works in the film industry. Because remember, as far as this Hema Committee report is concerned, it had spoken about 17 kind of violations that, or exploitations really, that these actors had to face, and something that needs attention at this point in time. Stay on with us, Jayalakshmi. We have Adwaita Kala joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Big update coming in now. The actor Mohanlal, as the president of Association for Malayalam Movie Artists, has stepped down. The entire body has been dissolved. Your first reaction to this big development in the Mollywood Me Too scam?
It's actually been a shameful episode, and it's not only an episode because it's gone on for years, and this report itself was kept in the dark by the state government to ensure that its contents were not revealed to the public. And really, quite honestly, I think if Mohanlal has resigned and the entire committee has resigned, I think that's a positive first step. I believe he is an honorable man. I think what has come to light is extremely saddening, disturbing. Malayalam cinema is one of the finest cinema that we have in this country. To see the kind of rot and exploitation, the rampant sexual exploitation that has been going on for so many years by a collective of men, of powerful men who have been exploiting women, and even in one case, a girl, a minor, is absolutely shocking. And I'm waiting to see what next steps will follow, because the state government has completely failed in this aspect.
All right. Of course, we're all now anxiously waiting for the next steps in this case, and we are hopeful that perhaps now things will begin to change. Appreciate you joining us, Adwaita, and sharing with us your perspective on this big development coming in from Kerala.